Astri in English lesson for today. Do you still remember our material in previous video? What is it? Yep, we learned about vocabularies in topic treasure in our last video. And now, let's move to another part of topic 1. So please open your student books on page 11, this part. So please take a look to part 2, this one. We will learn about grammar for today, and our grammar focus for this topic is the difference between for and since. If you want to say something and relate it to time, you can use for or since. But those two words have different meaning and have different function. The difference is since followed by point of time. So for example, 2 years old, since 2 years old. Or another example, since 2 o'clock. So 2 years old and 2 o'clock is point of time. Only one point. But for is followed by period. For example, for 2 years. So 2 years is a period. Or for 3 hours. 3 hours is a period because it's a long time. So for 3 hours, for 2 years. So and then let's read our examples here. Number 1. I've been interested in music since I was 10. I was 10 is point of time. So we use since in this sentence. Number 2. He's known his friend Charlie for 6 years. 6 years is period. One period. So we use for. Next, they have lived in Mexico for 3 months. 3 months is one period. So 3 months is one period, so we use for. The last example, she has had her gold bracelet since her 11th birthday. So her 11th birthday is point of time, so we use since. So do you have any questions about for and since? If you have any question, you can type your question through our comment below, or you can chat Miss Astri through my WhatsApp number. Okay? Next, we move to our practice today. So please open your workbook. Please open your workbook, Supermind workbook, on page 11, this one. homeworks are part 1, part 2, and part 3. For part 1, we have one table here, 4 and since, and your task is complete the table. So please write those time period or point of time in for or since. For example, 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock is point of time, so you should 8 o'clock in since column. For part 2, please complete the sentence using complete the sentence with for or since. So please pay attention to the time. Yeah. The last part 3. Please make 5 sentences with those words: play, have, live, be interested in, and know. So you have one example, and those five sentences for part 3, you use for or since. Okay, and then please take a picture of your homework and send to Miss Astrid. Yeah. Okay, thank you for your attention, and